Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to dive deep into the beautiful pose Trikonasana. Get ready to understand and learn this powerful and graceful pose with Nirva. Trikonasana in Sanskrit means three angles. So you are becoming a human triangle. How cool is that? Let's explore it. Now let's start with the pose. From the standing position, spread your legs 3 to 4 feet apart. Turn your right feet towards right side. Take your hands up to the shoulder. Now slowly bend from your lower back to the side. Extending your hands on your chin. Turn your palms towards you. Look at the tip of your fingers. No forward bending. Try to maintain. Now you can see the perfect pose. Now slowly come up. In this pose, there are lots of muscles that are activated to make this pose as an efficient tool for stability and grounding. So let's see that one by one. In the standing leg, the front of your thighs, the muscles called quadriceps, helps in building the stability. The extended leg, the muscles in the back of your thighs, hamstring muscles, helps in flexibility and mobility. And there are adductors in the inner thigh which helps in building the strength of the total legs. Now let's see the muscles in the lateral side called oblique muscles in the abdomen that helps in the core strength. We have a muscle in the arm called deltoid muscle which helps in the arm strength. Now we have trapezius which helps in the entire upper back which helps in the total extending the upper body. So all these muscles gets activated in this pose, making it a perfect pose for flexibility and stability. As you can see, in Trikonasana, there is a possibility for lots of mistakes. Today, we are going to see few of them and correct. So now let's start with the mistakes in the leg position. So in the standing leg, the standing leg should not be too bent or too stiff. There should be a slight micro bend to build the stability. In the extended leg, the feet should be turned to the side of the way you are going to bend. That prevents injury to the ankle joint. Now let's check the arm position. So it should not be too much extended. So you have to keep it in a comfortable distance and your palm should be facing you with your gaze fixed on the tip of your fingers. The important mistake most of them do in this pose is they bend forward to reach to the floor, rounding their shoulder. So in this pose, always your upper body should be aligned and it should be opened. The shoulders and chest should have complete extension along with the arms.